Achieving our goal of ending global hunger often means providing food for people in need. But we know that more is needed to ensure people enjoy food security. So, what do we mean by food security? Food security is when all people have regular access to enough nutritious food to lead healthy and active lives. The key word is access. How do you access food? You can buy it, or produce it yourself, or both. To buy food, everyone needs income. A job or livelihood provides money to buy food. If a livelihood is not possible, say if someone is sick or elderly, a safety net is needed for people to access food. In developing countries, many people get some or all of their food and income by growing crops, gathering food, fishing, or raising animals. Better food security means improving these livelihoods. For example, training and support on how to produce more and better food, or improving access to land, markets, or supplies. Kadaya is a single mother of 3 children living in northern Bangladesh. Kadaya has no land, but works on the fields of a local landowner. When there's work available, she's able to provide food for her family. But during the off-season, when there is no work and no reliable income, her children sometimes go to bed hungry. Through a local food security project, she was able to buy a cow and then receive training to look after it properly. The cow's milk provides Kadaya's family with nutritious food, and she can sell some of the milk in the local market for extra income. The result is that Kadaya is more sure of where her next meal is coming from, all year long. Her kids are more active and learn better in school. Her family is now more food secure. There are many ways you can be involved in improving people's access to enough nutritious food to lead healthy and active lives.